Hey guys, what's up? It's Muaaz here and welcome back to another video on the channel. So today I'm going to be talking about something pretty cool because it's a new feature that YouTube's secretly been working on. YouTube has basically been building its own kind of take or version of TikTok directly into the YouTube mobile app, and not many people know this exists, and it's only available in one other country right now. So let's talk about it. But before we do, if you guys like the video or enjoy it or whatever, please do hit that like button below the video. It really would mean a lot to me. And also let me know what you guys think about this new feature in the comments below. I'm really curious what you guys think and if you'll be using it. But anyways, let's get started. So right now, everyone already knows on YouTube you have tons of different ways that you can create content. You can do normal video uploads, kind of like this video that you guys are watching right now. You can do stories and you can do live streams on YouTube as well. But just recently they announced a new product feature called YouTube Shorts. So they actually put out two blog posts about this, I believe, and I'm gonna have them both linked in the description below, but I'm also gonna be reading directly from them in this video as well. So anyways, they announced a new blog post by saying that it's a beta feature that lets you create short videos right from the YouTube mobile app. It comes with a ton of new camera tools for creators to try out, but basically you can create 15-second short videos that will be easily discoverable on the YouTube homepage and in other parts of the app. And I think it's really interesting that they say the words easily discoverable, because if you guys watch my videos, you guys know that I upload a lot of YouTube tip videos and guide videos to kind of help you grow your own channel. So I'm curious if YouTube Shorts is going to be something that I'll be talking about again in the future. If you use TikTok, I know a lot of people do, you know that's probably one of the easiest apps to actually grow a following on. And I'm curious if by saying easily discoverable in this blog post, YouTube is going to be using YouTube Shorts as a way to help creators like you and I, or really just anyone on the platform, sorry I hit my mic there, but really just anyone on the platform kind of get their content seen by more people, but also in general, just help them grow their channel faster. But anyways, I don't know, I think it's pretty cool that they said those words. Maybe I'm just digging a bit too deep into it, who knows. But anyways, right now the beta for YouTube Shorts is only in India, and by that I mean the version of the YouTube app that actually lets you create these shorts directly from the app. That's the beta for that app is only in India right now, as far as I'm aware. But you can still make shorts even if you live outside of India as well, and I'll talk about that in a second too. Honestly, if you ask me, I think this beta is a great way for YouTube to actually start rolling out YouTube Shorts over time. India recently had TikTok, which was huge over there, removed from its app store, so a lot of Indian TikTok creators were left without a platform. So with YouTube doing their beta over there, it gives a lot of Indian creators the opportunity to use the tool, test it out, and in general, just help YouTube perfect it before they release it elsewhere. So if you're in India, your YouTube mobile app should have a plus button on the bottom, on the middle, where I think you have your home page, your subscriptions, the Explorer, and from there, when you're on that app, you can click that, and you should be able to create a short. And from there, it will open up the Shorts camera and show you a bunch of editing tools to speed up your videos, put videos together, add music, and a bunch of other stuff like that. They did say in their blog post that they're going to be releasing even more tools over time, so stay tuned for that. So if you don't live in India, you're probably wondering, Muaaz, can I still actually create YouTube Shorts? And the answer is actually yes. You can still create shorts even without having that beta version of the YouTube app. And to create shorts, there are actually 3 requirements that you need to follow. So the first one is that your video has to be a vertical video. So what that means is it has to be a vertical video, kind of like what you see on the screen right now. I kind of made a vertical video. So it has to be that. It has to be a vertical video. The next thing is that it has to be less than 60 seconds long. And then the third one is that you have to use the hashtag shorts in either the title of your video or in the description. And now I'm going to show you guys an example of a big YouTuber who's been doing this and hasn't really talked about it anywhere else, but he grew this channel to over 1 million subscribers in basically just 1 month of uploading shorts onto YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to quickly switch over to my computer right now so that you guys can see what's on my screen. And there you go. So now we have a YouTube channel that's on my screen right now. You guys should be able to see it. It is titled Mr. Beast Shorts. This is the channel name, and of course everyone knows Mr. Beast, one of the biggest YouTubers on the platform, makes some of the most entertaining content on the platform. Great guy, honestly. But so he made a second channel. He hasn't really talked about it anywhere else, and he titled it Mr. Beast Shorts, and he's only been uploading short videos on his channel. And all of them fit the requirements to be a YouTube short video. So it's less than 60 seconds long, it's a vertical video, and it says the hashtag shorts in either a title or a description. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on any of these videos, but before I do that, I just wanna show you guys, he's uploaded 12 videos and all of them have millions of views. He's been uploading every single day on them, just about, and they're doing amazing. But anyways, let me quickly open up one of the random videos on this channel and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so I clicked on the video, just jumped in 2 seconds, right? It's only a 13-second long video. So first off, right away you see that it is a vertical video, and I can show you guys proof. But if I scroll through it, you can see it's just like a black, just black lines on the side, and then it's like his video in the middle. It's a normal vertical video. That's the first requirement, right? The second requirement is it has to be less than 60 seconds long. It's only 13 seconds long. And now the third requirement is to say shorts or hashtag shorts in either the description or the title. So if I scroll down just a bit, right there in the description, it says hashtag shorts. And that's it. So he's been uploading a bunch of videos on this channel. I think he had 12 when we last looked. And he's been getting millions of views on literally all of them. And he's killing it. So, I don't know. He's taking advantage of YouTube Shorts right now. And I really recommend other people do as well. Especially if you're interested in making like short form content. Or at least trying it out. It can pay off. Who knows? But yeah, that's really it for the video. Like I said before, I'm going to have the links to the YouTube official blog posts in the description below in case you guys do want to give those a read. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys did, please do hit that like button below. And also please do comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this. Let me know if you're going to be trying it out, if you're going to be watching other people's short videos and all that good stuff. I'm really curious, honestly. I'm going to be hanging out in the comment section. But yeah, that really does wrap it up for the video. Subscribe if you guys are new to the channel and you guys want to see more videos like this, or just want to learn more about growing your own YouTube channel. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.